I made a desire to venture into new territory. I made certain decision that in the end turned out to be of wrong kind. I was going through a midlife crisis, the effects of which I could never have foreseen. I became rebellious because I hated myself for the way I looked and the time I continued to waste by not focusing and working on bettering my own person. And each time I rebelled, often offending other people by being inconsiderate of their time. I just felt worse and worse about myself. I was not me. I hit midlife and didn't know how to deal with it. I was lost. And then I got used to it. I saw what had changed around me. I feel that I have let you down. I let myself go. I allowed myself to get fat. Feeling much better now. And definitely a lot more grateful. I have a wonderful family, intact, loving, and when all the temporary brightness fades around me, I know that they are the ones who will still be there.
Ito sa kanyang Facebook account na umani ng iba't ibang reaksyon sa social media. Binanggit niya dito ang maling desisyon sa kanyang karera at pagpapabaya sa kanyang timbang. Pakiramdam niya na disappoint niya ang kanyang mga tagahanga. Sa pinadalang mensahe ng anak ni Sharon na si Casey Concepcion, sinabi niyang sa pinakahuling pag-uusap nila ng ina, wala itong nababanggit na problema. Ang open letter ay pwede umanong paraan ng ina para kamustahin ang kanyang fans. Aminado rin si Casey na hindi madali at mahabang proseso ang pinagdadaanan ng ina sa pagbabawas ng timbang. Pero sa gitna nito, pinasalamatan ni Casey si Judy Ann Santos na tumutulong at gumagabay sa kanyang ina.
She said naman in her post na medyo nandun siya sa state na, dumaan siya sa state of depression and state of loneliness. Pero all I can say now is ang daming acceptance and realization ni ate. So she's doing good. She's doing good, she's doing well, and ang hinihingi niya lang siguro ngayon is sa mga tao is understanding and prayers.